Hey guys, Papa Bear Stacking coming at you. Just going to talk about the last 7 days. Um, Starting out last Friday, we came in last Friday around 31.90 spot price. Um, Friday we went up a lot. Went to 33.61, 281. That was crazy. That was a big jump in one day. Um, Monday, we didn't do a whole lot. We kind of just hovered right around here until the afternoon, and then we ran up Monday evening into Tuesday. Tuesday is when we ran up to our 12-year high, right around $35 an ounce. We were a couple, maybe 10 cents off of that, maybe a little bit less, depending on which price you were looking at where. But yeah, Tuesday we went up that high. We came off of it a little bit Tuesday. And then Wednesday we really fell off a cliff. Bounced off our support area. We had support right around here, right around where we bounced off Wednesday. Went back up. Uh, Went back up a good 40 cents probably, and then we fell off again. Hit the support, ran around the support, and then tanked under support. I really didn't know where this was going to go. We didn't really have any idea of any type of support until way back here, down here, this number, around 31.80. We didn't really know if we had any support anywhere between here, but somewhere we caught in right here and bounced back up above the support line we had set. And then we're kind of hovering there now. So hopefully Monday we're going to do the same thing we did this week, maybe jump up some, and then ride it into Tuesday. Hopefully we'll actually maintain this next week instead of losing everything we gained over the week. Interesting news article I saw from Yahoo Finance that came out this week. Gold extends record. Silver jumps to 12-year highs. Precious metals outperform the stock market. So if you're looking at this over the year to date from January 1 to now, silver and gold futures have outproduced returns wise the S&P 500. If you look at the gold line here, it is actually silver futures, and the blue line is the gold futures. They have both returned a good amount more than the S&P 500 this year. And then in doing some more research, I went and looked at this chart here. This is gold versus the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So 5-year return on gold is better than the Dow Jones Industrial Average. 10-year returns pretty close. Dow Jones returned about 144%, whereas gold returned 135%. The 20-year return, gold smokes the Dow Jones. 550% return over 20 years versus 323% over 20 years. We kind of lose it in 30 years. The Dow Jones returned 1,000% versus gold at around 600%. But I still think that's a really good. I mean, if you'd bought 20 years ago, your money would have done better in gold than in the Dow Jones by a decent portion, 200%. So that's pretty cool. Also, while I got you here, I was just going to go over flowing hair metal sales. I'm going to go ahead and update this. Listings, 461 listings, and we got over 1,000 sold. So I got a 200% sell-through rate still. We've maintained a 200% sell-through rate since they released. Non-privy marked are still selling for around $200. Government sealed package here is about $390. Let's see, MS70 privy mark, $55.88. This is the first day of issue. Let's see. Registry Coins is actually paying a bounty. The last I heard, it was I think it was $3,500 they're paying for Privy Mart coins. Not even, yeah, OGP Privy Mart coins are paying $3,500. I believe they're still doing that. You'll have to reach out to them to make sure, but last I heard from Pirate Stacker, that's what the Registry Coins was offering, $3,500 for the Privy Marks. Again, let's see what we can find for the privies. Privy Mark, I'm guessing OGP here, $4,700. Let's see, Privy Mark with the COA, OGP, $7,400. Best offer accepted. My guess is it's probably somewhere between 85 and 75 on that one. Let's see, none of these have a Privy. Privy Mark, this was yesterday, $4,500. OGP, Privy Mark, OGP, $4,300. So yeah, it's looking like your Privy Marked original government packaging is going around $4,500. That's a good deal, $3,600. It's going around $4,500. And your graded Privy Marks, I assume they're going to go for around $5,500 to $6,000. And the graded Privy Mark with a COA, I think there's one of those down here. Wow, they got a great deal. It says it's an OGP. It says it's a COA and a Privy for $2,000. That's crazy. Yeah, that's a good deal compared to the rest of them. He could flip this for $2,000 more. Yeah, that's awesome. Let's see, where is the graded Privy with COA? Here is graded with COA. Best offer accepted. They had it listed at $12,995. So that would just go to show you that it's probably somewhere around $10,000, I would guess, for a graded MS-70 Privy Marked with a COA. But yeah. Alright, well that's it for today. Like I said, I was just going to talk to y'all about this crazy week we had. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you think about the gold and silver outperforming the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. Pretty interesting information. I'd never really looked into its performance against the stock market before today. Yeah, just let me know in the comments what you think about it, and Papa Bear signing out.